Why y'all didn't tell me Shein sold Christmas decor? Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I know we're a little late with the Christmas content, but I wanted to wait till the end of November to the beginning of December to share that kind of content with you guys. So I hope you guys are still excited for Christmas content, because baby, we have a Christmas decor haul. And talking about Christmas decor haul, why y'all didn't tell me Shein sold Christmas decor? I did not know that. I did not know that Shein sold home decor. But anyways, we have some Christmas finds from Shein and I'm going to share that with you guys. But first, let's get into the other items that we bought, because I did pick up a couple little knickknacks here and there for my Christmas decor. My theme is still neutral. I'm a neutral girly. I love my blacks. I love my browns and my wood tones and those stuff like that. So I'm definitely sticking to that kind of color scheme. But I wanted to give, just a little bit of classic Christmas in that. So I'm going to share with y'all what I bought for just a little classic Christmas touch. It won't be a lot, trust me. It won't be. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So let's stop talking and let's get into this decor haul. So I'm going to share each item in order of the store. I'm so sorry if y'all can hear that charter plane. Our neighbor is just driving his plane around for fun today because it's a little sunny. So I guess he said he's going to, fly his plane today. But if y'all can hear that in the background, I am so sorry. But let's get into this haul. I'm going to try to give you guys it in store order, and I'm going to start off with the single items. And I bought this bronzy kind of brown, like it's a bronze and brown mix of ornaments, and I really wanted to incorporate more brown because I have a lot of gold tones and I just wanted something just a little bit more darker and a little bit more, I wouldn't say vintage, but vintagey, I guess. Let me turn it around so you can see it a little better. This is how it actually looks, and I love those rust colors. Those bronze rust colors are just my favorite in this set. I only bought one, and it was for $12.99. So I got this from Globus Bauhaus, and I got it for $12.99, and it has 33 ornaments inside the container, so that's good to incorporate around the tree. For our next store, I also got some items from Teddy, and I got these ornament like candles, and they're in the scent vanilla. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're in the scent vanilla, and they had them in 3 colors. They had them in the clear glass, red, and green, but I didn't want either of those, so I just got it in the clear glass just in case I wanted to maybe spray paint it gold or black, or just put some rub and buff or something on it. And I got 2 of those from Teddy, and I got them for €5 a piece. And if you ask me, that's pretty good for these, and these are so cute. So I got 2 of those from Teddy. I also got some ribbons from Teddy as well. So I got 2 of these ribbons in this nice, it's almost like it's actually a darker red. It's really dark, and I really wanted this dark red instead of like that bright red. So I picked this up, and I picked up only 2 of them because I only want to use a little bit of red around my home, and I got them for $1.49 a piece. So I got 2 of these for $1.49 a piece. And I also picked up a set of pillow. I got 2. One is behind me, as you guys can see, and I got these from Yusk, and these were originally priced at €9, which is still a good price, but it was on sale for €6. And I think I shared this with you guys inside my curated decor haul when I was shopping. I think I showed you guys this, but I did not pick it up, and I regretted not picking it up. But when we went back just to check, they had this on sale for €6. So I grabbed it, child. That was my sign to grab it. So I grabbed it, and it's in this nice green color. It's like a green and almost like a taupe color. And I think this is just beautiful. It's a beautiful color to add to our couch. If you guys can see, our couch is gray. And I wanted something that would actually not blend in, but not stand out too much as well. So this to me would be just a beautiful piece on the couch. So I got 2 of these, and yeah, I just couldn't leave the store without picking these up. And it's a good size, as you guys can see. It's really, really nice size. Next are my items from Kick, and I did pick up a couple items from Kick. So those were my single items, and these ones I picked up from Kick. I wanted to get some Christmas trees, but I wanted them in the color black, just to add a little bit more black around my home. I picked up this one, and it's just, it reminds me of a dupe from somewhere. I think I saw this somewhere, but I can't remember where I saw it, and it is for $4.99. So I picked this up. As you guys can see, this is huge. This is huge. For $4.99 at Kick, and I just couldn't leave it. I wish I picked up a second one, but I only got one of these. I also picked up one in this style as well, and this one was for $4.99 as well. So I picked up this style, as you guys can see, and they're all in the color black. This one looks a little off when I put it next to this, because this actually lights up. So it's actually you put a candle inside it and you can light it up. So I liked that as well. And this one also is another style that I got from Kick, and this was also for $4.99. They were all very affordable, y'all. This is for $4.99 as well, and there is a light in this one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it lights up. It's not very bright, but it does light up. And yeah, I got 3 styles from Kick, all in the color black, because if y'all not used to this channel, you know black is like my entire color scheme in my home. I also picked up some candlesticks from Kick, and this is the large one, and I just love that it looks so expensive, but it's not. I got the large one for $7.99 from Kick, and I got the smaller one for $5.99, and I just absolutely love how these look. Like they look like I spent money on them, like a lot of money. But they're very affordable, and I love that, and I had to pick them up. I wish it had a 3rd size, but only 2 heights were there, so I got one of each. I might go back and get another set, but really, really love how, and they're very heavy. They're very heavy, so good find, okay? Really good find. Now it's time to get into the Shein decor. And y'all, we have a good size goodie bag from Shein, and I'm just going to grab them out and start sharing them with you guys. So for our first item, I did pick up some bells, because I've been seeing the bells all over the place, y'all. One second. Okay, that was a bit noisy, but these are the bells, and y'all, I actually like them. They're cute. You can see they're handmade. They got little splotches of black paint on them to make them look rustic or whatnot, and I'm going to put this into, or incorporate it into, our garland, and I am placing the garland on the buffet or my credenza. One day we're gonna have the whole fireplace and everything, but until then, this getting placed on the credenza. Okay, so I got these, and these were for $9.94, which to me is a steal because the prices I saw was ridiculous on Amazon, and these were only for $9.84, like 10 euros. Come on, steal. I also picked up some of these picks, and these are like a cedar pick, and they said they're real touch. They're actually pretty decent looking. And I bought the cedar picks. I bought this for €6, and there's 24 pieces inside it. So let me see if I can pull one out. They're very, very small. So if you want to create your own garland, or just make your garland fluffier, you can purchase these for €6 for 24 pieces, and you can just go ahead and incorporate them into the garland. I'm going to use them more in a vase as a floral decor, and if you want the stems longer, that's an easy fix. Sorry guys, I got cut off, but I was saying if you wanted to extend the length of the stem, that's a very easy fix. All you need to do is take some floral wire and add it onto the stem, whatever length you want, along with some floral tape in brown or green if you want, and you have an extended stem. So very good find. I like it. It's very flowy, but you can see it's plastic. Maybe from far away you can trick them, but close up you can see that it's plastic, but it's pretty decent looking for the price, and 24 stems, not bad. Only thing I can say about all the products that I received is they have a very high chemical like smell. It almost smells like plastic maybe, but like it's really, really strong. Maybe when they stay out for a while the scent will go away, but I think that they're still a really good find and at a really good price. Y'all, I am so sorry if y'all can hear that buzzing sound, but moving right along with more stems that I purchased from Shein. These are actually called the Nordfolk. I don't know if they're the exact Nordfolk or maybe a dupe for them, but they look pretty decent, and I got a 6-piece for $10.69. And if you ask me, they don't look bad at all, y'all. Like, you can still see that they're plastic, but 6 stems for under €11. Like, come on now. These look decent, okay? These look really, really good. I wish I bought more. I wish I bought more because they took about 3 weeks to get to me. So I don't think I'm going back online to purchase any extra ones, because by the time they reach, Christmas will be over, okay? But these were $10.69 for a 6-piece, and if you ask me, that price is pretty doggone, like, they're pretty good. Like, as you guys can see, they're very flowy. It's pretty good. I think it's a decent price. Next, we have the, what are these called? Cherry or cranberry picks. I think these are cranberry picks. They're very short. I expected them to, I don't know why I expected them to be longer, but I didn't read the length, y'all, so that's my bad. But they're really short cherry picks, and I just wanted a small pop of red. They're brighter, they're a lighter red than I actually wanted, but it's not bad, you know what I mean? And they came in a set of 6, I think. Yeah, they came in a set of 6, and each set cost $5.21. So $5.21 for each set of 6 picks. A little too expensive maybe, because they're so tiny, or maybe I'm just overdoing it, because maybe in the store you'll purchase one of these for $1.99 maybe. So 1 and 6, maybe it's a good price. Maybe it's priced better than I'm giving it. So yeah, I bought just a handful, a 2-pack, just to put, you know, around the home. I'm probably going to incorporate this in a vase, or we'll see. I won't give it away yet. So this is also what I bought, and yeah, I think maybe it's okay. It's an okay price. I still think it should cost less though, but that as well. Next, we have some garland, and I'm excited for this garland, y'all, because I always wanted that Hobby Lobby garland that everybody has been sharing, and or the Knot Folk. What is it? I don't know where it's from. Pottery Barn or maybe I don't know where, but that Real Touch garland, I've always wanted that, and the only ones that I can find here in Germany is that bushy, hard, old-fashioned plastic one. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's the only one I can seem to find, but I actually found it on Shein, and y'all, I bought two. They're supposed to be I think it said 5 feet or 6 feet, I'm not too sure, but this is the garland, and I have them entwined because they were really thin, but not bad at all. Like, what? I was so surprised that it actually looked similar to the ones that I've been seeing online. Of course you can still see it's plastic, but it's more thin and flowy, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something that was thinner and just, you know, more flexible and wasn't so stiff. So I think I found that in this, and I did buy two of them because they, like I said, it was so short. They were only 5 or 6 feet. I'm not too sure, but each garland costs €9.19. So $9.19 each, and it's, like I said, it's a good length, y'all. It's a good length, but for my console, I needed more length. So I bought 2 of them. I wish I bought 4 so I can double them up, because I think doubled, they look so much more, you know, nicer and thicker and fuller. So yeah, I'm actually really satisfied with the look of the garland. It doesn't look like real like the ones that I see online, you know, though. Maybe it looks realer on camera. I don't know. It looks pretty decent on camera, but in person, like, I can see the paper or the floral tape. I can see it. It looks like a full plant, but that's also okay. So I'm really satisfied with the look of the garland as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. The next video is going to be a decorate with me. We're going to start decorating the home, and we're going to start in the entryway. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the pieces. I'm going to do my best to link them down in the description box for you guys if you're interested, especially the Shein pieces, because even though I'm saying euros here in Germany, I'm sure in the United States you guys will find them as well, but maybe for a different price. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed this yet, and I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.